I love lamp. About a year ago, I bought this pendant light from Facebook Marketplace. Stefan rewired it to be a plug-in lamp, and it's kind of been bouncing around from location to location. And I was like, yo dog, this lamp is too cool to not feature in the house. But it doesn't match, so it's time for a makeover! So this is the lamp that we're replacing. Yes, I know it's cute, but I still love this lamp. There's a seam in the top drape that we can slip this wire through so it can still hang seamlessly. And I had a plan, I was about to get to work, but then I got distracted and I had Stefan take the heart panels off the windows. And it was a good idea, but it just didn't work out. Definitely offers a lot more sunlight. It's a lot brighter in here. Yeah, it seems like that was the move, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, it was a cute idea.
It sure was.
Let that be a lesson to you. Sometimes you got cute ideas and sometimes you got good ideas, but sometimes you just gotta bail. Also, what do you think about this color? I was considering painting this room this color. You want a closer look? Here, take a closer look. It is very nice to have such a long boyfriend with long arms who I can say, get up on that ladder and go fetch that thing for me so I can do my DIY bullshit. He's a very good boy and I love him. He deserves all the snuggles. Yeah, so I decided to paint the base of the lamp pink, and then the top and bottom notches as well as the chain are going to be a light mint. Will it look good? I don't know. I started off by spray painting all 3 pieces. These are not the exact colors that I want for that bedroom. That bedroom is like very matchy and everything has to be the same. So I just wanted to spray paint them to have the base coat done, and then I'm gonna go over them with the proper colors. And then afterwards, I have a white, and then I'm going to dust it. When you dust it with white, it's going to really enhance all of the different filigree and details. It really makes it come to life because right now it looks very flat. I already painted this guy, so I'll show you what it looks like when you dust it. This is the white that I have. This is a eggshell white. You do want to make sure that your paints are either like high glossy, medium gloss, eggshell. If they are matte, they are impossible to clean, especially with dusting. Pull that out. Oh, that was a little too much. You can always kind of like test it or just like wipe it off a little bit. Take the edge of the brush, just lightly go over it. It usually helps when you go in from the side. This piece has a lot of vertical lines, and it just helps when you go in from the side. It really picks up the paint a little bit more. So these are the old glass pieces that went into it. And they're really cool, but I wanted it to be like a frosted white, so I'm gonna take it to the glass cutter today and have him cut 8 of those, or 6. Let's go ahead and go to the glass cutter, see if he can do the job today. How much would it be to cut 6 this size?
6 pieces?
Uh-huh.
That size?
Yeah.
It's gonna be at $12 each.
So it was gonna cost me about $30 to cut this size of glass, just clear. Which I don't think it's gonna work out for me. I did go to Home Depot too, just to see if I can get some frosted glass spray paint. They didn't have it at Home Depot, so there's one other place that I think I can try, but they are closed today, so I have to see if they're open tomorrow. In the meantime, I'm gonna have to repaint these. Okay, remember how I told you I was trying to cut back on coffee, but I still liked my little warm drink in the morning? This is what I've been doing. So I take a scoop of cacao powder, which actually, where's my spoon? Oh, the spoon's in there. Cacao powder is very low on carbs, very low on calories. Take about that much. This is with no sugar added. I do put a little bit of stevia in there. Add my hot water, little cinnamon, and then I think today I want a little creamer in there. Where are you? So cacao powder, first of all, is very yummy, but there are a lot of studies of how it can help with anxiety and depression, which is always a bonus, and it tastes really good. Highly recommend. Ooh, that's hot. Let's go have a drink, come on. Bro, I'm so glad I waited the next day for this place to open. This place is called Sunshine Glass, and it's about 15 minutes away from me, and they have a huge storeroom of stained glass. Not only do they have more options, but they were actually way cheaper, and look what I found! This is a white, opaque, iridescent stained glass, and oh my god, it was perfect. I could not believe he had it in stock. This guy gave me 6 custom pieces for $10, which was more than I even bought the lamp for, but you know, whatever. This is Miguel, and he's been at this location for 20 years. So something about me is I'm really nosy, and I love getting to know people that are in my community, especially if they have a small business, especially if they've been there for over 20 years. I love hearing people's stories, but Miguel didn't seem too talkative, so I was like, yeah, I will go look through this glass shop unsupervised. Guys, I'm just kidding. You know I would never. I would never. Ooh, look at that one. I raced home and I pulled Stefan out of his office because I could not wait to see how it looks. And look at it. It's so pretty.
Oh my goodness, Darcy, you are so excited.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, this came out way better than I thought it was gonna be. Then Stefan put on some pants, which is a big occasion in this household. And he quickly rewired the lamp for me. I forgot to mention, you do not want to spray paint any wires. Spray paint and rubber, they don't mix. It will never dry. We went through my impressive hoard of light bulbs to find the brightest bulb that we had. Stefan knows all that stuff, how to decipher the code that is on the light bulb, because he does electrical stuff.
Wow! That looks so cute! Wow! Oh my god, it's so pretty!
Are you seeing, is it iridescent? Like, is it showing?
I mean, in person, yeah, but like not on the camera. Oh, it's so cool. Wow, it's so fairy. We decided to swap out the light bulb for a cooler tone just to see how it would look. We wanted to see if like the iridescent rainbow will kind of like shine through if it's a cooler color.
Wow!
It's time to say goodbye to old lamp, make way for new lamp. It is new lamp time to shine. It must be so nice to be tall and long, and I just wonder what that's like sometimes. Stefan is inserting drywall anchor into ceiling. The lamp also had this medallion thing at the end of the chain, which I forgot about, and I didn't really know how it was going to work outside of the drapery, but Stefan said, no worry, I know how to do. And just so everyone knows, I did help by standing here and looking so pretty. That was really hard to do. So here the medallion is sitting right outside of the drapery, which kind of looks weird, but it's actually cool how it kind of came together. And oh my God, it's so cute. I love cute. I have a cute dog. I have a cute boyfriend. I am also very cute. We had the wire in the trim, which worked out really well. And then the rest of it falls behind the canopy. And then the on-off switch will just be right at the side.
It's beauty!
That does look nice.
Then we remembered we had a spare hue light, so we slapped that bad boy in there and took it for a test drive and had a good old time with all these colors. And there you have it, my DIY vlog special, where I didn't make a single joke of Disney's Aladdin, give me the lamp, but I did succumb to Anchorman, I love lamp. So that's all for now. I'm gonna hop back on Duolingo so I can learn Japanese. So, mata ashita!